Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, yes, it is true. Streams and views are very important in establishing any young artist's career. So is doing or mimicking tried and proven strategies in any genre of music that you are a part of. Hence why you see intense and a new look. Yeah? And him go as far as to tag Vybz Kartel's official IG page. You know when that's it, this, there was no bone given. However, the teacher said this. Trending. Him say him give to the younger artists in a dancehall music. The ones who are establishing themselves, who are making a name for themselves in the game. Vybz Kartel was already a giant before the advent of even a platform. People are listening to Vybz Kartel music from a CD, they never get it from. For when them actually have to buy the music. People are listening to the teacher from them time. Now, we don't see Jay-Z, we don't see Lil Wayne, we don't see Eminem, we don't see Snoop. None of the established names in the hip-hop game. We don't hear them talk about trending. We don't hear 50 I say, yo, all my song now. These are not of importance to establish giants in the game. The teacher may couldn't know the pre there. A gold and platinum standard. We already launched the Grammy campaign. And we are saying we need the dancehall category at the Grammys. If not, we will settle for a reggae Grammy award, while still advocating that there should be a dancehall Grammy for itself as a category. Yeah, dancehall should be a category at the Grammys. And the billboards recently just point out that to say, yo, with recent statistics, it does show that dancehall music is of major importance to world music and are the truth. Now, when we say this, the teacher is responsible for trending. If a song trend, it trend. Remember, the platform has already noted that different factors contribute to a trending song. This is what them say. However, we are pointing out this. It is more important for a young artist, an artist who has established himself or make a name for himself in the game, to have a trending track. For an artist who already dominate the game, what we are looking on are sales. How many units were sold? And the teacher is doing that. We hear how much the Tutanisha album generate. We hear how much the Fever album generate without giving you a dollar figure. Because remember, if a song sell gold, that means 500 units, copies of that particular track was sold. 500,000. And this has to be occurred worldwide and not something happen locally. It has to happen in North America specifically. Places like Canada and other places in Europe. And remember, the song never sell for $1. So you do the maths. You and your friend them do the maths. Multi-million-dollar track. Multi-million-dollar track. Still selling to today. About to go platinum too. That is why the teacher said gold and platinum it there. This track is about to hit platinum. They know how to do numbers. They matter about trending. Yes, as I said, streams, views do add to the numbers. But they are more factored in to your greatness when you're young. As a young artist, when you have a name in the game. When you're already established, when people are talking about this, how much just money and music and make. It's not about if you're trending. The teachers accomplished trending. The teacher locked trending for years. We're not talking about no months. We have to say the teacher locked trending for years. Where as a song drop it trend every time. That is how we notice something that take place when we realize that wait. All the songs now trend when the fan base has increased. You must say something must be at play. There must be a plan afoot. But as the teacher has confirmed, This is of no major importance to us. Because established names in the game not play it for trend. That is just an effect of, fans talking about the track, sharing the track. You know what I mean? The excitement generated. And if the platform decides, say, yo, we're going to make it trend, them still going to tell us based upon the decision of the algorithm. So, it's not nothing to do it if the song is hot. We have other charts that support that. A majority of the songs that are trending now on the platform for local artists are not Billboard accredited tracks. They're not up on the Billboard now. Nowhere on the top 100 we not see them. They're nowhere on the Billboard top 100. Whether a single or an album, nothing for them up on the Billboard. Them songs don't know what Billboard look like. So they talk about trending. Highlight where you have to highlight, make a name for yourself. As I say, teachers leave it for the youth them. It not a problem with it. Some people feel like a teacher is bothered by certain statements or even certain action of certain other artists. Rather the teacher is, it is neither here nor there to the artist. You have to remember, some people have to talk about the wave, them create the wave. They don't know what the wave is. Some of them just follow international slangs through them hearing the songs while not actually knowing the idiom of what the people are trying to say. Creating a wave is when you can spark a certain thought and idea where other people also start to follow. Some do it subconsciously, some know say actually you would do it and not follow it. That is the wave. When you see how them look, the image of them on the dancehall music, and the teacher start that wave. That is what you call a wave. You don't have to be the person who get the first tattoo in the world. But as long as you're the person who make it popular and make people start to do it more often, then you have created that wave. The teacher did the dancehall music viewers and subscribers. And as a king, you have to make sure say the other people them. You know what I mean? I live on it. And you know say as the king of dancehall music, for dancehall to be considered a genre to be reckoned, you need other artists here to do the numbers. The song them need for a trend. One hand can't clap. You know what I mean? The teacher is just the artist taking the initiative. Open the doors for other artists again, so that more artists can aspire. More dancehall artists. Because I can tell you this, only artists that do reggae music talk about Grammy. Dancehall artists not mention the word Grammy. No time. Grammy is something they mention. Reggae artists, however, will talk about the Grammys because there is a category considered reggae. So these artists aspire to own or achieve a Grammy. Dancehall artists no do it. And the teacher said, no, dancehall artists can't get Grammy too. If we work at it, if we put out world-class production, I'm not going around it. When you hear reggae music, it's mixed. You can't hear the clarity in the voice and the vocals of the artist. You can't hear the instrumentals. It mixed. The levels them pan it mixed. Dancehall music, however, some of the songs they mix, some of the songs they mix. Some producers can't really mix the music. And look like they don't want to seek outside help. The people notice that they can't mix the music. And or they want to use one person specific. But you have people who are going to school for engineering. Use up the youth them with talent. It means make the youth them get a start in the game. Go to school and them teach them things there and link them up. And make them know say we can forward over our record label. Go and work with you until they establish their own thing and do their own thing. Since only don't know. But dancehall music, that's something I feel like dancehall music need for work on. Because the Grammy committee are going to critique that. Yeah? The Grammy committee are going to critique that. Even after handing Vybz Kartel the award. Afghans and divas. Remember, that category to be added to the Grammys. They have to vote for it. So one artist will spark the thought and spark the change. We're going to need other albums to be added to the lineup. So Rihanna have an album we're going to drop to reggae and dancehall infused. No doubt our album might be added. She is from the Caribbean. You know it go. Nowadays you have rappers from all over the world. Even from right here on the island. So You can't say other people can't do the genre. That's one of them things. Vice to the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you, if you're new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as up on the platform. You know the settings, and for those who don't, yeah, man, now move settings, fam, and we're gonna need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and girls are gonna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.